morning friend. Today we want to start one exercise. Already we have started 14 chapter and 14.1 we have completed. Now 14.2 we have to start. So question number 1. Blood of the group 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Already we have completed this lecture in this question in last lecture, but we have to understand proper way how you have to write the answer. So represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So first of all we have to write, that is vertically blood group you have to write. Afterward number of students you have to write, and how many group that we have to find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So A group, B group, AB and O. So 4 group we have to identify, that we have to write at here. It can be observed that now we have to put the value. So we have in A, that I have to write at here one time A. Now again E is A, yes again, so write again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write 9. Now in B group, so we have to see that again B, 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have to write at here 6, 0, 9, 0, 6. For calculating work we can make easy. Now AB is there. So 1 AB, 2 AB, 3 AB. So 3 AB is there. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 AB. Afterward O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 2. So 12. Anyhow answer must be total 30. So 0, 9, 0, 6, 0, 3 and 12. So total is 30. So it is easy now. Now what do we have to find out? Which is the most common and which is the rarest? So which is the most common group if you want to get answer? Which is the most common? So 12 I think. So it can be observed clearly that most common blood group and the rarest blood group of these are O and AB. So most common and rare, that is rare or minimum. So two things we can clear. So that is question number 1 we have clear. Now we go to question number 2. So in question number 2, the question is, the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were as follows. 5, here it is comma, 5, 3, 10, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31, 19, 10, 12, 17, 18, 11, 32. So 40 observations are at here. Construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given, taking the first interval 0 to 5. 5 is not included. What main feature do you observe from the tabular representation? So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. That way we have to take because distance in kilometer. Now it is given that group frequency distribution table of class size has to be constructed. So we have constructed. Afterward, we have to write tally, mark and number of engineers. Now, if you will see that, we have to start from here. 5 is not included, always remember. So 1, 3, that is 0 to 5. 3, we can write in bracket also. 3, 2, again 3, 5 is not included, again 3, again 2. So these are all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. That is why we have to write tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have to write at here 0, 5. Afterward we go for 5 to 10. Now 5 is included. So 5, 10 is not included. So I have to write, actually 11 is. So anyhow we have to convert into 11. So 5 we can write. Afterward these are all 7, 9, again 7, 8, 5, 9, 6, 7, 6. Here 1 7 is remaining. So 7. Now round I have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 I have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 bunch 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 1. So that is 11. So in first we can get 0, 5. In second we can get 11. So that is 0 to 5 complete, 5 to 10 complete. Now 10 to 15. So first what we have to do, we have to rub the, then we can get answer. So for eraser I have to rub this. Now we go for next. Now 10 to 15, we go for 10 to 15. So 10 to 15, we have not, now we count 11, 10 and 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 time I have cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1. So 11. So that way you go through all the sums. Now 15 to 20. So we have to get 15 to 20. 15 is now included. So again first tie up this so we can easily count all others. So 15 to 20, 9. So 15 to 20 we have to do. 15 is included now, but 20 is not included. So 15 to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9. That way you will get 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0. To total must be equal to 40. Anyhow we have get answer 40. Now question is what? It can be observed that there are very few engineers who home are at home more than or equal to 20 kilometers from their workplace. Most of the engineers have their workplace up to 15 kilometer distance from their homes. Means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा number of engineers live near their home. So up to 0 to 15 kilometer, that is 27 out of 40, 27 engineers are near to 15, or if it is below 0 to 20, if I want to find out 0 to 20, then again I have to add this. So दूर रहने वाले इंजीनियर्स कम है, घर से नज़दीक रहने वाले इंजीनियर ज़्यादा है. So that is a question number 2. Now question number 3. Relative humidity in a certain city for a month of 30 days are as follows. Now it should be in point. Construct a group frequency distribution able 84, 86, 86, 88. So 84, 86, 86, 88, 88, 90, 90, 92, 92, 94, 94, 96, 96, 98, 98 and 100. Afterward again we have to see the 98.1 where it is 98.1. So 98.1, so it is at here, so we have to write 1. 98.6, again 98.6, 99.2, 99.2. So if you will go forward, 97, well it is not included, so 3. One is observation at here, 98.3. So 4 observations total are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is not included. So 4 observations, so we have to write 4. That is why we have to write 4. 84 to 86 we have to cross it now. 98.1 already gone. Here it is gone. Here it is gone. Now 90.3. So 90.3. Where is it? 90.3. Here 90.3. So it is gone. 86.5. So 86.5. That way we can cut. Here it is also cut. 95.3. So 95.3. It is cut. 92.9. 92.9. So here we have to do 96.3. 96.3. 94.2. 94.2. Again get 95.1. 95.1. 89.2. 92.3. 92.3. 97.1. 97.1. 93.5. 93.5. So 93.5. 95.1. So 95.1. 97.2. 97.2. 93.3. 93.3. 95.2. 95.2. So already 5 is there. So 4 is there, we have to cut. 97.3. 97.3. So here 97.3. 96.2. 96.2. 92.1. 92.1. 84.9. 84.9. 90.2. 90.2. 95.7. 95 point, so here we have to 95.6. 98.3. 98.3. already we have completed. 97.3. 97.3. 96.1. 96.1. 92.1. 92.1 and 89. So 89. So that way we clear up to the 30. Now it can be observed that the relative humidity is high, therefore the data is about the month of the rainy season. Maximum and minimum data is 99.2 and 84.9. That is called range. Range of data means maximum value minus minimum value. Now we go for next question, that is, so we go for up to 4, 5 or 6 question. The height of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeter have been found as follow. So we have to find out the minimum and maximum. Represent 160, 165, 165, 170. But minimum observation is 150. So we have to write 150. Maximum observation is 170. You will see 171, 172, 173 up to 173 is the highest. So we can say 173. So up to 175 we have to take. So 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175. Number of student. So 150, again 150, 154, 154, 165, so 165, 168, so 168, 161, 161, 154, 154, 162, 162, 150, 150, 151, so 4 we can say 151, 164, 164, 171, 171, 165, so we have to take it here 165, 158 we have to write 158, 154 we have to write 154, 156, 156, 172, 172, 160, so 160 should be next 160, 170, so it should be next 170, 159, so it should be 159, 161, so 161, 170, so I have to write 170, 162, so I have to write it 162. So that way if you will go, we have to complete up to the 15. So 9 is there, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 plus 12. 14 is there, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. That way you have to do. So total is 15. It can be concluded that more than 50% of the students are shorter than 165. 165 से कम लेंथ वाले बच्चे ज़्यादा हैं. Now we go for next. So up to 5 we have to go. Now a 3 coin are tossed 3 times simultaneously. Each time the number of head occur in the following. So when we toss the coin, either head or tail. If we toss the coin, either head or tail. So 3 times coin is tossed. 3 coin is tossed 30 times. So each time the number of head occur are noted. So 1 time, 0 time, 0, 1, 2, that way 0. Number of head 0, that is 6. How we can say 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is why 0. Now 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total we have to do it 30. So if it is 9 at here, again first we have to rub everything and then we have to see. So 3 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can take 5. Now 0 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is also correct. Now 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think if I will total it, here it should be some mistake, so we can write 1 at here. So that is why it is 30 is possible. So you have to complete in your fair book, that is exercise 14.1 and 14.2, that you have to complete. So this is sufficient today's lecture. Now in next lecture we go for the mean, median and mode formula.